Welcome back to MrYouWho, your go-to channel for the latest in tech and gadgets. Today we're taking a deep dive into a revolutionary pool cleaning solution, the Degrii Zima Pro. We're not just unboxing, we're thoroughly reviewing it by examining its features, setting them up, and testing it in action. Let's talk about Degrii, the innovative minds behind the Zima Pro. They're pioneers in leveraging ultrasonic radar technology for pool cleaning. This means the Zima Pro can navigate and map any pool with unmatched precision. Thanks to intelligent 3D path planning, the Zima Pro can handle every pool shape and ensures high cleaning efficiency. This advanced technology allows Zima Pro to adapt its cleaning path in real time, ensuring thorough coverage and spotless results. In this review, we'll explore everything from its sleek design to its powerful yet quiet cleaning capabilities. And remember, if you enjoy our in-depth reviews and want to stay updated on the latest tech, hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and click notification bell to never miss out on our content. Now, let's get our feet wet and see what the Degrii Zima Pro has to offer. Get ready to revolutionize the way you think about pool maintenance here at MrYouWho. So I'm going to take a look at the Degrii Zima Pro and actually open it up and see what comes in it. As you can see, it's a great unit here and it's very, very good size, and the build quality is very good as well. So let's take a look and have a look at it. So there you have the legs. So it's got 4 traction legs, and they enable you to basically hold onto the pool and hold onto the walls. And because the legs are so good, they actually hold there as well. So they use traction, and you'll find when we do the test, it actually sticks to the walls, sticks to the pool floor as well. It really is excellent. Now, I'm going to open this up as well. We've got filtration here. Now, the filtration of it is excellent. So I can filter down to ultrafine filtration, down to 180 micrometers. And you can see where we were testing it previously, it picked up lots of long leaves as well, which is really, really good. So it's got 2 filtration bays as well. So that's the first one. And as you can see, that's where it sucks it up for the leaves and all the little things that come through. Now, it's got 5,000 square feet cleaning coverage as well, which is excellent. And it's got 250 watt suction power too, which is absolutely incredible. So it does suck really, really well, this little beauty. If we go and have a look at the other side here, we've got the other side too. You can see that here is the second filter as well. And again, you can see how it's filtered very, very effectively up there as well. It can do like rocks, plants, all kinds of stuff can be filled in it. So it is very, very efficient. So I'm going to go and pop that back in there. Again, very, very easy to use and work. Let's go take a look at the ultrasonic radars. So you've got ultrasonic radars on each end, and what they enable it to do is to actually map the entire pool. So maps the entire pool, remembers where it's going, and it means you get excellent coverage across the entire pool as well. Now, it also sets it according to the route of your pool too. So in a moment, we're going to be going and show you guys how we actually set that up. We're actually going to be setting up through the app, but you'll see that it cleans the pool and gives it excellent coverage. So I want to show you guys the charcoal filters as well. So it's got charcoal filters, which essentially filters through any bad stuff too. So you can see just there. Now, these are actually removable as well. So you can go and replace these when they're used up, which is excellent. But the charcoal filters are very, very good in there. Very, very nice. And now we're going to go and look at the power pack. So the power pack is what sits separately to the actual pool cleaner. So the power pack sits up top of it when it's working. So the great thing with this is it comes with excellent battery life. So 3.5 hours battery life you'll get across the pool as well. You can turn it on there, and you can also choose if you want wall mode, bottom mode, or both on there. And that's where you plug it in. We're going to go show you in a minute how to plug it in, but it's very, very versatile. It's excellent. Okay, so to power it, you open up the tab just here and plug it into the power pack, as you can see just here. Now, make sure this is always done up when you put in the pool, obviously. Plug it in there and then go and turn it on at the power board and see it's charging straight away. And this charges very, very quickly. It's that easy. Doesn't take long at all. So now what we're going to go and do is we're going to go and put the Degrii Zima Pro into the pool, clean it. We're going to use time-lapse footage so you guys can see exactly how well it cleans the pool. And also going to do a bit of commentary kind of around how the technology works while it's doing it. But you guys are going to be blown away with how good this works. Once you get to Wi-Fi, it brings you to this screen. So you can then choose the name of your device and then select the pool type. So ours is like a rectangle with a bit at the end. And then you need to shape, it's a slightly moving pool, and also select the pool type, the bottom type. Then you need to put the pool measurements in here. Now, this is really important, guys. You need to actually tell the robot pool cleaner exactly where it's going to be cleaning. So you got the B measurements, which has width. You got the A, which is length, and you got the C, which is the other depth as well. So you pop those in, and then it lets it know what to start doing when it's cleaning the pool. You just submit that, and there you go. Congratulations, it's set up as well. So the Degrii is now set up. So now you can literally go and pop in the pool and start using it after it does a quick app update, which we'll do now. Okay, now so I'm going to go and put the Zima pool cleaner into the pool. So I'm going to go and pop it in there and show you how it works with the app. So there we go. We pick up the battery pack first, sit it on top of the water, nice and easy like that. We then go and grab the pool cleaner and put it into the water. Now it's got to get, obviously the air's got to come out of it as well. So you watch it would sink slowly as well. Great thing is it's not too heavy as well, so it sits in there lightly. So there you go. I just drop that in there nicely and let it go in. Again, nice and easy all by itself. Then I walk away and I go to the app and I press start cleaning and do auto. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and do time lapse now. We're going to fasten this up. It takes about 50 minutes to do the pool. So you're going to see how it does it really quick. Now as you can see, we've done time lapse of 70 times this, which means it's going to take about 59 minutes for the whole pool to get cleaned. And as you can see, it's doing a very, very thorough job of cleaning the pool. Now it does leads up to 5.1 inches, stones up to 1.2 inches as well. It's driven by 3 motors as well, so it's got real power. Now as you can see, it's done the stairs, it's done the walls, so it has no issue in being able to get up to do the walls of the pool. So not only getting the floor cleaned, but you're also getting the walls cleaned as well. And you can also track this by using the app as well. So you can manually control it, you can move different areas, but as you can see, look at the coverage on the pool. The floor's coming up completely clean. It really is doing a fantastic job. It's full coverage across the pool. Now the pool cleaner is finished, I'm able to go to the app and press lift. And what happens, as you can see here, the pool cleaner itself will then go against the wall and pull itself up as well. So I'll pull itself up the wall and sit there. And all you have to do is then just go and grab it out. So it's coming up now. There it comes to the wall. And I just bend over and pull it out just like that. So easy to use. So there you go. It's completely customizable, completely programmable. And what a great job it does of cleaning the pool as well. So yeah, just take it out. As you guys can see here, one of the things that sticks out with the Degrii Zima Pro is it doesn't make any noise. It is completely quiet when it's working. There's no suction, there's no vibrations. It's as clear as you can hear. It makes no noise whatsoever, which is really, really good. And because of the legs as well, the 4 tires, it can go up. At the moment it's going over a wall, which you can see. It does it easily. So make sure you clean the whole pool very, very effectively, noise-free. And with the excellent suction of it as well, it really does pick everything up as well. It's fantastic. So as we wrap up our review of the Degrii Zima Pro, it's clear that this is more than just a pool cleaner. It's a game changer in pool maintenance. Guys, we highly recommend the Zima Pro for several compelling reasons, and they really do stand up against other pool cleaners in the marketplace. So firstly, ease of use. From setup to operation, the Zima Pro is incredibly user-friendly. Whether you're tech savvy or not, you'll find it's a breeze to operate. It really is very, very simple. The other thing is complete cleaning and the intelligent mapping. The Zima Pro leaves no spot untouched, ensuring your pool is thoroughly cleaned each and every time. And you saw when we did the time lapse earlier about how the Zima Pro went and did every part of the pool. Now, as we set this up, it's very important to make sure you get the correct pool dimensions before you start, so I can actually do that. The third thing is silent operation. One of the most remarkable features is its quiet performance. You can actually relax by the poolside without hearing any disruptive noise. It actually makes no noise at all when it's in the pool. It's incredible. Pro to navigate efficiently and effectively and adapts to any pool shape or size. Guys, it really is incredible. And great battery life. Well, 10,000 mAh floating battery ensures prolonged cleaning sessions, making it perfect for large pools. It can do 3.5 hours in the pool without having to be charged, which is great. And with the great charging panel here as well, you can charge it and put it back in the pool. We also saw with the app, so the Degrii OS app enhances user experience, allowing you to control, monitor and schedule cleaning with ease. And remember, it comes with Android and also with Apple as well. So in conclusion, the Degrii Zima Pro stands out as an exemplary pool cleaner that combines ease of use, function, innovation and efficiency. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to keep your pool pristine, the Zima Pro, guys, is definitely worth considering. For the value and for the price you're getting, it really is blown away. And with the discount code I've given you a description below, guys, this is actually a steal. You've got to do it. Anyway, thanks for joining us on MrYouWho for this review. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button for more tech insights and reviews. Until next time, keep enjoying the clear and serene waters of your pools, courtesy of the Degrii Zima Pro. And guys, what I might do is quickly just show you exactly where we are here as well. It's really beautiful. Thanks for joining us here at MrYouWho.
was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.